connecting us to everything we need amidst the relentless heat and the demands of everyday life. Peace is where home is. With Panasonic air conditioners, your home is your sanctuary. Step inside and leave the chaos behind. Embrace serenity with the new Panasonic air conditioners with airarchy. For decades, Panasonic has redefined air conditioning design, blending timeless beauty with cutting-edge innovation. The culmination of years of craftsmanship and technology, where precision meets performance. Our air conditioners are designed to breathe life into your home, transforming your space into a haven of clean and comfort. Elegantly crafted for minimalist beauty, blending seamlessly into any space. Complementing your lifestyle, bringing grace to everyday living. Because great design is not just about function, it's about enriching life every day. With Panasonic's advanced air purification, you can monitor the quality of air around you in real time. Breathe healthy air with nano-EG technology that catches and filters fine dust particles in the air. Deodorize strong odors in the air and on fabrics with nano-EX. Surround yourself with fresh, clean air every moment of the day. Experience instant relief, turning your home into a cool, comfortable haven, even in the hottest weather. Rain or shine, Panasonic keeps you cool, comfortable, and connected all day. At Panasonic, we believe that maintaining a healthy, clean air starts from within. Adjusting to your lifestyle, achieving the perfect balance of comfort and energy efficiency. Relax and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with precise temperature control and low noise operation. Panasonic, design that breathes life.